Hi everyone, I am Joycin Cortez Ramos from the Philippines, and I completed my master's degree at the University of Pittsburgh, and I'm a patient safety and SOC Health Activist Fellowship alumna of the year 2022. Having been given the opportunity to engage in these fellowship programs has been nothing but a life-changing experience. It has inculcated in me the importance and the many facets of patient safety as one of the core foundations of healthcare. It has also instilled the value of understanding human connections, the power each one of us has in speaking out and speaking for the things that really matter. Being in constant communication and in exchange of ideas with my co fellows, it empowered me with the needed critical thinking skills that up until now I use as a nursing leader and as a resource person to the various lectures and forums I partake. The knowledge, perspectives, and values shared within the program are highly incomparable and highly useful in advocating for a better healthcare landscape. I am encouraging everyone to join these fellowships and take advantage of being the change agents our society needs.